Choosing the right banking solution for a small business is critical, and Qonto has become one of the top options in Europe for its simplicity, efficiency, and tailored plans. Qonto offers three main plans for small businesses: Solo, Standard, and Premium. For most small business owners, the Standard plan strikes the best balance between cost and functionality. Priced at $29 per month, the Standard plan includes one business account, 5 cards, unlimited SEPA transfers, and instant payment notifications. It also provides accounting integration with popular platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, which simplifies bookkeeping and expense tracking. The Solo plan is cheaper at $9 per month but is more suited for freelancers or micro-businesses rather than a small company with employees. It only offers one card, limits transfers, and lacks team management features. On the other hand, the Premium plan at $99 per month is designed for larger teams and offers enhanced features like multiple sub-accounts, priority support, and higher spending limits. While it's powerful, it's often overkill for a small business just starting out. Qonto's Standard plan also comes with tools to manage subscriptions, automate invoice tracking, and categorize expenses. These features save significant time and reduce errors in accounting. Physical and virtual cards can be issued instantly, and multiple team members can have access with controlled limits, ensuring smooth internal operations. The platform's interface is clean and user-friendly, making banking straightforward even for those unfamiliar with financial tools. Overall, for a small business looking to optimize financial management without overspending, the Standard plan at $29 per month provides the best value. It covers essential banking needs, supports team collaboration, and integrates seamlessly with accounting software, allowing business owners to focus on growth rather than financial headaches. Qonto simplifies everyday banking while giving small businesses tools to stay organized, transparent, and efficient.